We constantly buy more and more USB-powered devices and gadgets. This goes hand in hand with using the needed USB charging and data cables. Hello everybody, this is Vasile with Out of the Box, and now I'm going to show you the Cableogy USB charging and data cable by Volutz. Most of the micro USB charging cables tend to be boring, but if you're looking for something new, something with a little extra, you could take a look at the Cableogy cable series by Volutz. With this cable you can both charge and sync. The cable is USB 2.0 standard and the data transfer is up to 480 megabits per second. The charging speed with this cable remains super fast and is not affected by the cable length. Volutz claims that you get the same maximum speed disregardless if your cable is 1 meter or 3 meters long. The build quality is solid. The cable is thicker than usual and feels durable and built to last. It's globe braided and tangle free. The connectors are gold plated, corrosion and heat resistant. What I like most is the detachable Velcro cable tie. It's optimal for storing and transportation and makes one ask himself why not all USB cables come with this. The micro USB connector goes all the way in my Galaxy Note 3 with a Spigen case on it. This is always one of my biggest concerns when purchasing a USB cable, as I like using cases on my phones and need to be sure that I can charge my phone with the case on it. The Cableogy cables come in different colors. They combine durability with functionality, and with the color coding are definitely fun to use. I hope you like this short overview of the Volutz Cableogy series. Links are provided in the description. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.